got corn in the hopper, falls down into what they call the shoe. As it does, it vibrates on this shaft. As it does, it comes between the two stones. Then it comes out, grinds it up. It'll do about 600 pounds an hour. And it comes out the front here. This here is my tenery gear. What it does, it raises my upper stone. We can lower it for finer, raise it up for coarser. So we'll fire it up here and grind about 10 pounds or less. It'll do about 10 pounds a minute, so. Let's see where she's standing.
She'll know it. She's in the wrong place. She'll get it back.
She saw it yesterday.
Did she?
So
I started saying it's
I'll
where the
laugh
wet
if it
spots
gets wet.
are, but it rained, so that didn't help any.
I'll laugh like that.
She'll know it. No yelling. Gonna be good.
did the distillery use corn?
Yeah.
Okay, so they made like a moonshine.
Yeah, whiskey, moonshine, whichever one you want to call it. They shipped as far as south. They shipped their whiskey, all their products out there as far as south as New Orleans. So
I imagine you guys would look even more authentic if you'd spent a couple of decades in the tavern.
well, yeah.
Aged.
Oh yeah, yeah. We
20 years.
yeah. Yeah.
Not sure how we would have looked after that.
Right.
Yeah, the tavern was, because they had a stagecoach trail that came through there from New Albany up to Bloomington, Terre Haute. So that's what the purpose of the tavern was.
Had to have some place to stay all night, didn't they?
It's true. For a quarter, you could get a spot in the bed.
Actually, it's 12.5 cents.
12.5 cents.
Yes, for bedding.
Oh, is that
A
what it
horse
said?
is 25 cents. And 2 horses is 50 cents.
Ah.
4 horses is 75. I know I had to do that area before, so.
Oh, okay.
But you were
Then
close.
for 10 cents, you can sleep on the floor in front of the fireplace. No.
Yeah, for bedding though. That's what it cost for bedding, and a meal was 12.5 cents.
Yeah.
And the horses would have been that.
Well, there you go. I told you I'd grind you 10 pounds. We got it. I got a little bit left here.
So can I buy one of those directly?
Sure.
I want one.
Mercantile open yet?
Yes.
It is? Okay. Yes, you can have one. You'll have to take it down to the mercantile
Pay
to
her.
pay for it.
Okay,
Or they
I'll
have it in
register.
there, but if you want one we just done.
yeah,
Yeah, that's what he wants.
awesome.
Okay, no problem.
We'll pay the mercantile. Thank you guys very much.
Hey, no problem.